I've heard stories out there where people have had installs and it's taken, 90, 100 days to go from getting the system inspected and passed through to getting it turned on. 3 months later, well, that salesperson's gone off, they've taken their commission, they've disappeared. You can say to someone like, hey, I'll put these 10 solar panels on and that's gonna save you $300 a month. Well, how do you show that until 3 or 4 months have happened, right? You're not gonna see that what you were told is not true. Because if that person can't turn their system on and actually see what their investment's doing for them, it's just a fancy sheet of glass at that point. We have return customers from 8 or 9 years ago. There is nothing better in the world than that, than someone, who said, I had such a good experience all that time ago that I'm gonna come back and have you do it again.